welcome back. Like we said in our previous video, we are going to do some pet introductions during lockdown because there's nothing else to show. It's a bit rainy and wet and cold outside, so we decided we'll start inside. And one of my favorite pets is our parrotfish. It's a tropical parrot. It can grow 20 to 25 centimeters and it can live around 15 years. So when we got Jacky, she was about the size of her little puffer friend over there, and she hid away. Like, she stayed in her pot for more than 6 months. We were so disappointed. We thought, oh my word, what did we do? We wanted a parrot because they're colorful and they grow to be nice and big. But luckily for us, she came out with a bang and she has been entertaining us ever since. Jacky is almost 4. She absolutely loves her rubber tank mates. She can attack them, pull them around. She is a very strong fish. She rearranges her own tank. So it's very interesting to wake up every morning to see what she did the previous evening. She's got a great personality. She eats chocolate pellets mainly, and then we like to give her treats every now and then of bloodworms. She gobbles them up before they can even melt. Right, Jacky? She absolutely loves me, and I know this because I'm the only one that she swims behind, and she swims so fast that she swims into the glass. But I love this fish. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I will see you guys next time. Bye!